And guys, it's me, Top Gunner. This is like a mini video. I am sorry for all I don't know if you can hear that, but like all of this. So it's like I just sometimes I just do that on accident. Like I don't know if you can hear that, but it just really. I know it might be a little annoying and you can't hear me sometimes when I do it. It's just like I'm sorry. It's on accident. I don't like it when there's videos and that happens in them too, but I don't really notice it. But it's like I'm really sorry, guys, about all this. I really don't know if you can hear that, but I'm sorry.